In front of me is Nothing Phone 2A, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Autofill service. Tap on Google Password Manager and tap on one of your passwords that you wish to check. Finally, enter your current screen lock and tap on this eye next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!